Today we're going to talk about past perfect verbs. We use past perfect verbs to talk about a past action that happened before another past action. Let me explain in a little bit more detail. I like to use a timeline to explain this verb tense. So this is time, this is now. So these are two actions that happened before now. When we have two actions before now, we can use the past perfect to talk about the earlier action, the first action. And the past perfect is those verbs that use had and the past participle of the main verb. So let's look at our examples. She had eaten breakfast before she went to work. Here we can see that had eaten happened first and went to work happened second. And we could switch these clauses in the sentence too. We could say, before she went to work, she had eaten breakfast. Those two sentences have the same meaning. This action happened first and this action happened second, and they are both in the past. Let's look at our next example. After we had taken the test, the teacher graded it. We see had with the past participle of take, had taken the test. After we had taken the test, the teacher graded it. So we see this action happened first, and this action happened second, but they are both in the past. And again, if we want to, we can switch those clauses. We can say, the teacher graded the test after we had taken it. I want to make a small note about punctuation here. You'll notice here that we have a before clause in this sentence and an after clause in this sentence. When the before or after clause comes first, we need a comma between the clauses. When the before or after clause comes second, no comma. So if we switched these clauses again to say before she went to work, comma, she had eaten breakfast, we would have a change in punctuation. Just like here, if we switched them, the teacher graded the test after we had taken it, no comma. So again, we use the had and the past participle of the verb to show a completed action in the past before another completed action in the past.